Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers, like that baby bird mother of baby birds, to mothers to be, to people who identify as mothers, to mothers long gone, to future moms. Just happy Mother's Day. And thanks for watching these videos. I really, really appreciate it. I know I'm just kind of starting again here, and I'm really excited to be able to make videos. But unfortunately, this week was kind of a crazy week. I started work. I actually got a project job, and I've been working very hard on it, and it's been a lot of work. But at the same time, I've started some other projects here at my house. And I'm just gonna kind of show you some of the projects I've been working on this week with some imagery of them. Unfortunately, I just discovered something. I'm a project hoarder. I like to just start as many projects as possible, get other people involved, suck people into the vortex of projectness and whatever.
Me and Will are more than willing to help.
Okay,
yeah, you
okay.
Just them on the nails, on the screws, make them saw the screws off.
They're power tools, so I'm nervous. And then it ends up like living weeks without a floor in your patio, or dirt everywhere, or half painted walls. But let me just start with what I actually did that was kind of fun this week. First thing I did was I decided I wanted to learn how to blow glass. I was very, very interested in blowing glass. So here's some snippets of my journey, and I'll just give you a little recap. Son is driving me for a Mother's Day gift. Well, that's not the gift. The gift is that I get to...
In a quarter of a mile, exit right.
The gift is I get to blow glass. I'm pretty excited. No, I'm serious. I've never blown... It's called glass blowing. Oh my gosh.
Up here,
Make a U-turn. No one's behind you. I'm really excited about blowing glass. I'm gonna blow glass. Hey, did you blow glass when you were a kid, Ethan? He says to say hi. This is as good as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna show my
notice, see what's happening? It's getting sucked in
It's
there.
hard for me to see with the glasses, but yes.
Stay about out here. You want to go a little further away from the torch, yeah?
Oh.
Yep, right there, perfect. And just gonna keep it turning. So now, let's take that out of the flame.
Okay.
Keep it turning. And stick just the hot part in the water and hold it there.
Just the hot part.
A little deeper, a little deeper, a little deeper.
Touch the bottom?
Yeah. Just
Oh!
That's okay, it's supposed
Scared
to
the
happen.
shit out of me.
Now hold it. Wait.
Okay.
All the way down, hold it all the way down.
So that was supposed to be today's video, but what happened was my son filmed it. He filmed a beginning and end. He just was like laughing and not really paying attention. So that's that. And the other thing that was, I thought I was gonna actually like blow some glass, but I was wrong. I knew nothing about it. You have to start from the beginning. You have to learn how to handle the glass. It's molten glass. It's not that easy to work with. So I was schooled. I will go back and make it myself. This wonderful man, Joe, ended up making me this bird bong. Well, it's a hummingbird feeder. It looks like a bird bong to me. But I'm gonna put it, when I get my hands on it, because I was supposed to have it, I don't have it. Once I get my hands on the bird bong / hummingbird feeder, I'm gonna hang it up here and hopefully have some hummingbirds around it. Unfortunately, the bird bong / hummingbird feeder had to sit in the kiln, so I couldn't take it home with me. I'm gonna get it this week, and then I'll show it to you. Maybe I'll make a full video, I don't know. I'm gonna make a better video on that because that wasn't really what I intended. So I did actually try and make a hummingbird feeder. Someone else made it for me because I sucked at it. I suck at it. As you can see here, we are redoing this floor on the patio. It was old wood. It was gross. It was like collecting dog hair. The dogs were ruining it. So one day I started pulling up the wood because my neighbor has all this extra porcelain tile, really pretty tile. So my husband was like, what are you doing? What if we don't do it? I said, well, it's too late now because we're doing it. So we're in the process of it, and it's taking forever because I fucked up. I put the hardy backer down without putting plywood. You know, no one was really here to help. And I, unfortunately, once I get something in my head, I just start doing it and kind of don't think much about it. So I made a big mistake. I wasted 2 days of my life on this, but Not really, because I cut whatever, it's happening right now, and I hope, and I can't wait to show you the end result, and that will be a full video. And then I'll put plants on the porch, and I'll put some furniture. I'm excited. I feel like it feels like it's never gonna happen, but I'm super excited about it. Other thing I am going to do is I'm going to make a dining table that will be behind me out of a couch that I made a few years back. So that is a project I will be doing next week, I hope. Okay, I've also been painting the house, and I just do that when I feel like it at night, and that's just been going on because those walls get dirty. People put their freaking hands on the walls all the time. Like, why are they doing that? I said, all my son's friends, I said, please don't touch the walls. You're dirty. You all are dirty. You don't wash your hands. And then there's like, I could take your prints and arrest you if I wanted to, but I won't do that. Another stupid idea that I had and I've been trying to do is make a sprinkler art piece. And I'm trying to get the sprinkler, I'm trying to get paint to get through the sprinkler, and I'm having a problem. So once I figure that out, I'll do a video on that, and it's not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. It's a friggin' pain in the ass. One project, this is like the super long-term project, and I showed you in another video, is this embroidery wall piece. You'll see I have this section in my room that needs a beautiful piece of art that's like vertical. And so I think this is the right piece for it. Plus, I thought it was a woodpecker. Plus, to make things more interesting, I got all this free freaking furniture this week from this job I'm working at. They were gonna get rid of this beautiful Danish mid-century furniture because it had water stains on them. So I said, I'll take it, see what I can do. I've never really taken water stains out before, but in this case, I looked it up. Because this is expensive furniture. I can't even believe how much this is worth. It's crazy. It's maybe about like $10,000 worth of furniture. So I didn't want to screw it up. So I researched it. I got lemon oil. And then also when I was at the hardware store, a furniture restorer happened to be there, and he said, use oxalic acid. So I bought that, I put my gloves on, and I applied it numerous times on the surfaces with the water stains, and they came out. And then I put the lemon oil on it, and then I'm freaking happy. So now my room is turning more mid-century-ish, modern, and that piece, I think, will look perfect with that furniture. I love that furniture. I love free. If it's free, it's from me, as my friend Dino used to say all the time. If it's free, it's from me. I'm like, yeah, it is. That's the way to go. Okay, so then I went to, this is not that exciting. This is not exciting. I'm just letting you know what happened this week. I didn't really have time to do like one main project. I went to a yard sale yesterday, and I saw, because I'm looking for a chair to reupholster it, but I found these cool lamps. Look at these lamps. Hello, lamp. I love lamp. Look at these lamps. Look. Look at those lamps. They look pretty freaking good. You can't even see them. And they're $15 each. And the funny thing is, I was looking for 2 lamps to go by my bed so I could sew at night. And they look mid-century-ish, modern-ish, and they fit perfectly. They need a little touch up, but whatever. And they're kind of perfect. So I was so happy to find that. And also I found last Sunday, I found these cigar molds that my dad likes cigars, right? So I thought it would be a great gift. But in the meantime, I'm thinking, well, what can I do with them to make them more interesting? So I got to figure that out. I've got a lot of things cooking up here. It's just about, I don't have the time. And quite frankly, I'm tired because I stay up so late sewing that piece because it's going to take forever, but I really, really want to finish it. So I've been getting like 4 or 5 hours of sleep a night, and that's why I probably look like crap all the time. Let me see if I have anything else. Oh yeah, then I have so many products. Then there's this cute little gold frame that I've been thinking about a lot, and I've also been thinking about this triple thick, this epoxy supplement, I guess, replacement. I want to do something that has a little bit of a dome with some imagery in it or some things coming out of the frame. So I'm thinking about what to do with this frame and the triple thick. So I have got a lot of things in the oven right now, but most exciting thing is watching this Carolina Wren work so hard to feed those babies. Can you hear them? And she doesn't give a crap. She literally, like, we'll be working there and she just flies over your head. And she's bitching at her partner. I don't know which is the male or female because I'm not really that good of a birder, but I say she. She's saying, I'm sorry, but you need to get the babies, the food. I don't care if somebody's there with a hammer. I don't care if that lady, that crazy lady with the hammer and drill is there. She's not gonna hurt you. She's maybe gonna hurt herself. She doesn't care about us. Someone just, it was in my mouth. So just fly by her head, feed the babies, and get more bugs because they need it. That's the most exciting part of my week was being in the room with these birds and just like stopping for a second when she's feeding and then continuing work. Like it's like the freeze tag game, remember that? You just stop. I forgot how you play that game, but I'm gonna call it statue. I play statue. She'll fly in, stop like that, like hammer in there, like that. And I close my eyes. So I think if your eyes are open, they think you're a predator. If you just close your eyes, it's like you're not there. Anyway, let me see if I missed anything. So painting, sprinkler, embroidery, work, hummingbird feeder, scratches out, triple thick. Yeah, that's kind of what I did this week. As you can see, nothing's really done. That's why this video sucks. So I'll see you. Maybe I'll just do a video this week. I'll finish a project. Oh yeah, there's one other thing I want to do too. One other thing. I went to a thrift store and I found a cool bag, like a leather black bag, because I want to make a rivet bag. I saw some vintage rivet bag somewhere and it was just too gross. It was rusty and nasty. So I was like, I'll just make my own bag. So I'm going to do that this week. It should be pretty simple and I'll show you how I did that. Okay. So have a great day. Enjoy it. It's freaking cold out and it's going to be warm and I'm going to get my plants on the porch. I am going to do a plant video soon because you just need to see them and I need to do something with them because they've been a little neglected. They need some love. So I'll see you soon, maybe with the plant video next. You can tell I'm scattered, right? Like I just woke up feeling very overwhelmed because of all of these unfinished projects and I kind of don't know what direction to go in right now. So I still don't know. I'll see you soon.